Hey there, YouTubers. So, today I'm going to talk about this. My old doorbell that was on over here. Like, it was over here. Hold on. So now, we're going to be saying goodbye to the old doorbell. So, old doorbell, you were the best one. You had a good one that would go like, ding, ding. But now, it's time for a new one. Here we go. There's the new one. Right here.
Right here, right now.
So, I'll be using this for a prop now. And this is what? Like, a long time ago. There's a window.
You showing my truck?
Yeah. And there's I can't go inside. Hold on. So I'm guessing that we're gonna be using this for props now. This can't be the most goodness one. You can see. There's also an underground inside there. And if you guys see my face right there, I'll show you a quick review of what it looks like. Okay, here you go. This is what's inside the truck. This is where it is. That's the driver. That's the cars. This is where I still have my doorbell. And the door got closed because my grandma. You can lift these. There's also another room. There's this thing right here. Opens. I don't know which button to press. And the handles, you can also lift these up. Look at these. It lifts up for real. And I don't know if you can put your feet in there or something like that. That'll be weird. I don't know, magazines. You can lift this one also. Oh, you can't? That's poo-poo gaga. I don't know why it doesn't. That's weird. I broke it. No! I broke it. What have I done? Okay, it's finally fixed. I just had to left this thing open. And, let's see. Can I get these lights on? Do I get these lights on or something? I don't know. But, it also has an underground right here. Like, it has an underground, like, you can, like, put your stuff in here, like, you see this, you see that, like, where'd it go? It's right here, guys. So, I always like to go under here, because it's just, like, nice to go under here. Sorry if it's black. It's just because I'm under the truck. Here it is. Can I put on that light? Wait, look at this. I can put my feet in there if I put it in there. See? You guys gotta get a truck. Or else you're not gonna be a famous YouTuber. Even further back too. Alright. So I'm getting the heck out of here. Alright. There we go. Alright guys, that's a quick tip for a new doorbell and a truck. Goodbye.